Now I will explain invertible function. The definition is like this. A function f from a to b is said to be invertible if there exists a function g from b to a, that is the function g from b to a, such that f composite g is equal to g composite f, and which is an identity function, or a function f from a to b is said to be invertible if f is both 1 1 and onto. And if the function is both 1 1 and onto, definitely there exists a function g from b to a such that f composite g is equal to g composite f is equal to an identity function. Sometimes the function will not be 1 1 or onto. If the function f from a to b is not 1 1 or onto, it is possible to make the function 1 1 and onto by changing the domain and codomain, not by changing the function. Just by changing the domain and codomain, it is possible to make it as 1 1 and onto. For example, if you take a function f from z to z defined by f of x equal to x square, clearly this function is neither 1 1 nor onto, because you will have the two distinct elements -1 and +1 have the same image, and f of x equal to x square is always a positive, and moreover it is integer and it will take only positive integer including 0. Negative numbers are not the images, therefore it is not onto. To make it 1 1, define f from n to z by f of x equal to x square. Definitely this function is 1 1 because no distinct element of n have the same image. That's why it is 1 1. But this function is not onto, because 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, and 2 and 3 cannot be image. Even negative numbers are also not the image. Therefore this function is not onto, but it is 1 1. If we define the same function f from n to range of f, here the range of f is 1, 4, 9, that is all perfect square numbers. Definitely this function is 1 1 and onto, because you can find the pre-image for every element in the range of f. In pre-image of 4 is 2, pre-image of 9 is 3, pre-image of 64 is 8, pre-image of 100 is 10. Thus every element in the range of f have the pre-image. Therefore this function f from n to range of f is both 1 1 and onto.